Ready, set, go! Wait, what? How did a snail beat a car? That doesn't make sense.
But it's not magic, it's an animation secret. Stay until the end and I'll show you how to make your own cute clay snail too. Let's try a fun animation experiment.
First, draw 2 lines like me. Now cut both lines in half. Cut them in half again. Cut them in half again. And beginning, and bigger as the space gets smaller. Cut them in half again. 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 Put the snail on the top line, put the car on the bottom line. Move each character to the next mark. Take a picture. Move again. Take another picture. Keep going until they reach the finish line. We're done! Who do you think won? The snail or the car? Let's play the animation. But the car starts slow, stops smoothly. In animation, we call this ease in and ease out. Means start slow, move fast smoothly. Cars, bikes, trains, even people walking use this kind of movement. Did you know a snail could teach us animation? Now let's make our cute clay snail. Goo-Goo, bring the brown clay. First, roll the clay into a long shape. This is the snail's body. Now make a small round ball. This is the snail's head. Add 2 tiny balls for the eyes. Make 2 small, thin rolls and attach them to the eyes. Add 2 balls for the eyes. Now put the eyes on the head. Great! For the snail's shell, take red clay. Roll it into a long piece. Then twist it into a spiral shape. Attach it, look! Our clay snail is ready! Wow! Go-Go is so cute! Now it's your turn. Make your own snail, try the animation experiment, and see if your snail can beat the car. If you love learning animation through fun experiments, and follow us for more. See you next time!